Hello and welcome back. Again, this is Ben from Lendary, and in this video I will show you how to set up your Bitstamp account. First of all, head over to bitstamp.net. We'll also have the link in the guide, of course, and click register. I've already registered my account, and I'll simply click login and walk you through the entire process. So enter my details here. And the first thing that Bitstamp wants us to do is to add an additional layer of security to the account, which makes sense, of course, and we'll use two-factor authentication for that. So let's click secure my account. And then Bitstamp asks us to either download the Google Authenticator or the Duo mobile app. I personally recommend using the Google Authenticator. I find it quite easy to use, but feel free to also use Duo. In this example, I'll download the Google Authenticator app on my phone quickly. Let me do that. So simply head on over to the iOS store, Android store in my case, type in Google Authenticator and it's installing. Now click I have the app and open up the app. It looks something like this, so very clean, very simple. And now in order to set up two-factor authentication, you will need to scan this QR code. Now before you do that, I recommend taking a screenshot of this bit here, or simply note down this authentication key, because in case you lose access to your phone, either you lose it or it's damaged or broken or anything, you can always use this authentication key to have a backup and recreate the two-factor authentication on a new phone. Now once you've done that, simply click the plus sign in the bottom right in my case, and then select scan QR code. And then I'll simply scan the QR code. And now a new row appears here with the 6 digits, which we will now enter. And then we've already set up Bitstamp two-factor authentication successfully. Now, most likely, you will now be asked to complete the KYC process, which usually takes around 5 minutes or so to input all the data, and then another 10 to 15 minutes to be verified on Bitstamp. You will be notified via email once that process is complete. You can already, though, set up everything that we need in order to take full advantage of the automation process, because we want to make it as easy as possible for you. So you can set up your API keys on Bitstamp and actually provide this information to Lendary, and then we'll automate the entire process for you so that you don't have to worry about anything. All you really need to do is create a deposit request and then transfer funds to your Bitstamp account, and then we'll take care of the rest. So to create API keys, let's head over to security and then API access. And here we don't have to worry about this top part. In the permissions, we'll need some permissions in order to set up everything. So we'll need permissions to the account balance so that we can create the order accordingly to whatever you transfer to your account. We'll also use the permissions of user transaction to then also be able to show you in your personalized dashboard what our software has automated for you. And then on the orders, we'll need open orders, buy, limit, market orders, and withdrawal requests. And on the left side here, withdrawal, we'll need the XRP withdrawal permission, because what our software will do, it will convert either euro or US dollars, whatever you've sent to Bitstamp, to Ripple XRP, and then it will send those XRP to Bitfinex and then convert those to US dollars, and then the lending automation can start. Now it says enter 2FA and submit, so just double check that you've correctly set up your permissions. Now again, open up your two-factor authentication app and enter the digits. Let me do that. And now all we need to do is activate, and we need to activate those keys via email. Now these API keys, this is the information that you will need to provide us in the form below so that we can automate the entire process for you. Now it's important, of course, not to share this information. Of course, I'll delete these keys once I finish the video. And yeah, so just head over to your email account and activate the keys, and then you should be good to go. All right, in the next video, we'll set up the Bitfinex account, and then we're almost done. See you soon.